Some beautiful design ones here at the back for you ladies. Oh, look at those. Sale 200, sale 100. Or 150 sales here. Skechers, Puma. Some of the Nike shirts here. One equals 390, two 700, three 1000. Adidas under. Very similar to the Louis Vuitton and things like that. A big collection of shoes here. 99 baht. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be heading and taking you, the Platinum Fashion Mall here in Pratunam, Bangkok. It's an absolutely huge mall. Got to walk across that walkway there to get across to it. Okay, so here it is, the main entrance to the mall. This is an absolutely huge mall. You also have lots of street food as well on the street here. Got a money exchange as well there if you want to exchange your money prior to going in. You see there's lots and lots of street food here. Wow. Drinks, lots of different things available. Very, very busy on the street here. We're going to be heading inside here to the Platinum Fashion Mall. Super, super busy just at the doorway entrance here. $130 baht. Thailand t-shirts, cotton t-shirts, some handbags here. Like the Louis Vuitton, but not many. Only in there. Sale 80% off. Some watches here. Some nice watches there. Some bracelets. Chains. Necklaces. Belts. Wow. Okay, let's head in and around the mall. So we have some ladies' underwear garments here. Wholesale shape-up shop. Some nice things in there. Some more classy looking things inside. Some ladies' clothing here. So many different alleys to take here. Coats, handbags, clothes. It's going to be easier for me just to walk down one of these. So 300 pants. Hello. Some of the tops there. Just give you some general idea of what you can get here. Fluffy coats. Suitcases. Colourful tops. Wow, look at those. Interesting. Very nice. Some socks here. Men's shirts, dresses. One piece is 290, 500. $690. Wow. Nice. These dresses here. Some fluffy little jackets here. Oh, look at those. Sale 200, sale 100. Or 150, sorry, not 100. All of the handbags again in here. All of the different bags. Of course. It's very difficult to video this. Some sandals here. Watches, Puma, New Era, Nike. Beautiful looking ones there. There's some stylish items in here. And handbags again, things here, suitcases. Wow, many. There's no video there, he says. One day at a time. All of the sandals here. Oh, very nice. Oh, so many things. Here it's sale 700 baht. They seem quite expensive. Nice quality t-shirts. Some jewellery as well here. Rings, bangles, earrings, all in there. We'll continue walking around. And Louis Vuitton. New for him, for her. Dior. Balenciaga caps. Wow. So many. Made in Thailand. Nice handbags. Many beautiful handbags in here. Very nice. Made in Thailand. T-shirts. $3.90. $5.90, $3.90. Wow. Fendi, I think that is. Such a big shop. And bags. Wow. Sandals. Very unique stuff here as well. More handbags. Lots and lots of handbags. Sparkly dresses. The detail on those. Jewellery. Nice. Nice headbands as well there. Oh. So many different clothes, it's hard to know where to show you. I have no idea about all of this kind of stuff. I'm just mainly Timberland, Camel, a little bit of Hugo Boss. One equals 300, two equals 500. Wow. So you can get food and drinks as well inside if you're thirsty from too much shopping. 1 equals 350, 2 equals 600. Sale 250 baht. Some handbags again. Nice. Underwear, bras. Wow, amazing. Unbelievable. So many different designs, ladies' dresses. So many different handbags. Very similar to the Louis Vuitton and things like that, but not. And these funky, unique sunglasses there. Ladies' clothing. Don't worry less, smile more. Work or weekend. Every day is a good day. Wow. Some very nice wordy t-shirts there. Monkey Bangkok. Many in there. 250. Wow. I'm showing you so many clothes here. Most of it's ladies though. Some men's shirts as well. I'm not sure if these are men's or ladies. That one's men's, made in Thailand. Some men's clothes here, I think. Wow. I'll just show you these as well. Some very unique socks. One pair 80 baht. Wow. Many beautiful, unique designs there. Christmas. So many clothes after clothes. Some football shirts here. Under Armour. Tommy Hilfiger. Arlo Adidas jackets. Nike. Adidas. Under Armour. Perfumes as well here. The Under Armour shorts as well. Adidas, Nike shorts. Adidas, Nike. Some beautiful earrings as well here. One piece 59, two pieces 100. Very colourful. Very nice. Some nice men's t-shirts here. Together. Oh, many in there. It's very popular here. 300, 350. Oh, many customers in that one. Must be good stuff. Some nice looking ladies there. Some men's here again. Wow, look at that for a jacket. So nice, so unique. Pants. Perry. Hello. Mum and daughter stuff. Big collection of shoes here. 99 baht. Or 999 baht, sorry. Wow. Many sparkly shoes. Kids' shoes, sandals. 499. Some belts here. 180, 3 pieces. 450. Very unique belts. 180 for leather belts, 3 pieces, 450. Many different types again here. Wow. All belts. Most leather and some thin ones here. 150 baht. Wow. Some beautiful design ones here at the back for you ladies. Oh, look at those. So nice. Sparkly, big, bold. Wow. Beautiful. Some of the Nike shirts here. One equals 390, 2 700, 3 1000. Adidas. Adidas Under Armour. There's an Under Armour as well. And football. Barcelona. Paris Saint-Germain. Nice. Adidas socks. Jordan. Nike. There's all of the watches. Very nice looking watches in there. Presentation boxes as well. Nice.